What's good, mi pamilya? Welcome back. Kumusta? Mabuhay. Assalamualaikum cuties. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this sunset makeup look for you guys, obviously in quarantine fashion with my mask on, and I didn't apply foundation because obviously the mask would mess it up. But I still use highlight because we love to glow even during quarantine. But yeah, no glitter for this look, just fun, bright colors and blend focus today. Without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Starting with priming my eyelid space, I'm taking my P. Louise makeup base. I put a pea-sized amount on the back of my hand to warm up the product, and I'm just going in and patting that all over my eyelid space. Those of you who are afraid of using light bases, don't fear, because our eyeshadows will be bright and vibrant and we'll be able to cover the white anyways, you know? Then taking the James Charles palette and this bright yellow eyeshadow with my Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to start blending this into the inner 1/3 of my crease to start the sunset gradient we are trying to achieve. Next, picking up this orange eyeshadow, we are going to blend this on the middle of the crease and slightly into the yellow, creating a smooth transition. Then with a slightly darker orange from the same palette, I'm going to add depth to the light orange we already applied, blending it right underneath that bright orange to deepen the crease. After that is applied, I'm going to be picking up this bright pink eyeshadow, blending it into my outer V or the rest of the thirds of my eye, as well as into the orange and yellow for a smooth transition, then connecting it also to my lash line. Then with a fluffy flat brush, I'm going back into that light orange and using it to soften around all of those colors. If you feel in any way that some of the shadows lost pigmentation during any type of blending, just go ahead and go back and reapply those eyeshadows until you're 100% satisfied with the intensity, as you can see. Next, prepping for our cut crease, I'm taking some micellar water on a Q-tip and removing the excess eyeshadow on my cut crease base so that my cut crease will be easier to apply, clean, and not muddled with different colors. Here I'm just going back in with that pink eyeshadow and re-intensifying the pigment. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to be going back into that same P. Louise base, and with their Acid Rain flat brush, I'm going to begin my cut crease by dotting out the crease to map it out first, and then I'm just going to go in and make the line with my base. I'm not gonna lie, in order to achieve a perfect cut crease, you have to have a good amount of practice and know how your brush and product work. So if it doesn't come out perfect the first few times, don't worry and don't get discouraged. Practice really does make perfect, especially in the field of makeup. So just don't give up and you will achieve perfect cut crease in no time. Here I'm just taking some of that light orange on a flat brush and patting it next to that pink to further embrace the gradient. After that, we are taking my favorite J. LaRue white gold pigment and NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to be patting that all over the lid and even over that pink and orange that we applied to further the gradient. I'm going to be taking that pigment and patting it over the glitter primer. The glitter primer is for adhesion if you're not familiar with glitter primer, and it is going to create this beautiful duochrome effect. It's going to look like the orange and pink are a duochrome eyeshadow, And yeah, I hope you guys try out this pigment. I get so much compliments on this pigment and I talk about it all the time, but yeah. Next is NYX's Black Liquid Liner. I'm just going to line my eyes thin on the inner part and thicker on the outer, as usual, nothing new. Then I'm going to be creating a wing and filling it in. While that is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and apply mascara to my eyelashes to prep for falsies. And then with my Morphe Chocolate Mousse Brow Pomade, I'm going to sculpt my eyebrows and then clean them up with Milani Concealer. So I just recently got into the habit of doing my eyebrows after eyeshadow application because I don't know if it's just me, but don't you guys hate when you get eyeshadow on your eyebrows after they're done? Like, I know that you could fix it, but I don't know. In my opinion, it's just not the same. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here, as you can see. I don't know. I just like this look a lot better. But I know that a lot of people do their eyebrows before anything else. I don't know. Is that something I only struggle with? Let me know in the comments, please. After my eyebrows are cleaned up, I'm just gonna fix those eyeshadows around my eyebrow. And then I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and applying these beautiful, beautiful falsies by Queen V Lashes. Look, I know they're dramatic. Like, you guys don't have to tell me. Everyone tells me my eyelashes are always dramatic, but yes, that's the point. I love dramatic eyelashes. If you do too, you should definitely check these out. They are my favorite right now. They're in the style La Madrina. Yo, these are beautiful eyelashes. Anyways, this step is totally optional, but I'm just going to be blending that pink eyeshadow on my lash line to fully encompass the colorful look that I'm going for. I don't know, I just feel like the pink really complements the orange and I needed more of it. So that's why I went ahead and applied that on my lower lash line, which is totally optional, as well as the step of putting mascara on your lower lashes. That is also optional. And with that, the eye look is finished, you know? You don't have to do this, but I like to apply highlight to my inner corners of my eyes. I feel like it draws a lot of light to your eyes. And I'm going to be doing the same thing on the high points of my cheekbones. This is totally optional. I just really love highlight. Yeah, I sprayed my brush with setting spray before applying that highlight. Yeah. I'm using a Real Techniques brush, my fave, for highlight application. Not just for highlight application, I just love Real Technique brushes, regardless, but I'm just going to be applying that to my cheekbones and temples. I'm trying to talk more during the places in my tutorials where I would normally put music because I want to establish a personal relationship with my audience. So yeah, if you're wondering why there's no music, that is why. But here's the finished look. Here's the look with foundation, contour, and all that, just in case anyone wanted inspiration for the full face look. And yeah, that's the look, you guys. If you enjoyed, please like and comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.